Hello, this is Brett from Survival Comms, and as I mentioned earlier, we're going to do a parkerizing video, a refinishing video for the Soviet survival tool. And I'm going to go over, we're going to do a barrel for a Savage Model 11 today, and we're going to do the blade and the awl and the hilt cross guard for the Soviet Aviator survival tool. And we'll go ahead and get started with what you need. You can see the items laid out here to be refinished today. And then I've got these small silicone plugs. And the silicone plugs are to plug the bore of the rifle shotgun. And one of the important things you have to have for your parking project is a sandblasting cabinet, which is this is a relatively inexpensive one, and it does the job. Suitable air compressor to drive such cabinet. Chemicals, which as you can see here, I've got a bucket of the solution prepared because I've done this before. And then you have the manganese phosphate parkerizing solution, which I got from Midway. 1 can of chlorinated degreaser, which is a brake cleaner, and then some penetrating oil to put on it after parkerizing and after your rinse. Over here you have your cooker powered by propane, and the stainless pans to do this in were rather expensive, so I had my brother weld up 3 spackling pans available from Lowe's or Home Depot. And then I have a bluing tank back here from Brownells for my rinse. I am self-filming this today, so it's going to be difficult to get the process, so I'm going to have to edit these together, which will give me practice editing. So, alright, let's get cracking. Okay, and after degreasing, sandblasting, and degreasing again, this is what you have. You have most of your finishes off. Actually, all of your finishes off, which it has to be, because you have to have a somewhat rough surface for the parkerizing to adhere. When we're done with that, we'll go ahead and move on to treating our items. Okay, now we've got our items immersed in the solution. The steel tank on the left has got our preheat rinse, which you can see right here. I've got the blade sitting in that heating up, and on this side here I have that barrel for the Savage. You can see it's already taken on a nice color, and then the items that are still reacting in here are the awl and the hilt for the survival tool. Okay, here we go. Parking's completed, and you can see here on the muzzle of the Savage here, you can see where it's been silver soldered on, it looks like. The rest of it came out pretty good. A lot better than it was before with the blood rust on it. And you can see the machete. Didn't lose any of its markings. And once I reassemble it, I'm going to continue to post-treat it with some used motor oil. And I will show you the final result when I get done.